Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through the ways to create a new resiliency action in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. Let's get started. There are 3 different ways to approach creating a new action. First is adding a pre-identified action. This is when we want to use a resiliency action in our action plan that was identified in previous or ongoing planning efforts. This is to add a project that has been identified, but has not been completed. The next type of resiliency action is the I know what resiliency action that I want to create. This is an action that isn't pre-identified, but you know what action you want to implement or have a general idea of what action you wish to implement. If you have an action you want to implement, but you don't know where to implement it, you can explore by area of interest. The third way to create a resiliency action is the I want to explore risk and resiliency action options. This option provides tools to assess your risk and explore ways to reduce the risk in your jurisdiction. That's it. You've just learned how to create a new resiliency action in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. For more help, visit youtube.com/@ncdeq.